Okay, now finally we're going to do your final assessment of what you've done. I like my little white around the edges, and I even like that the trees are starting to come outside of that border. I'm going to make that a little bit more so it looks intentional. And the trees that are up close to us, they're going to be the darkest, so they can have lots of yellow and blue on them, the way the cedars are folding downwards. This one too could be a little bit stronger, even though it's far away. It's got to look like it meant to go out there, not like I made a mistake. Some of you might be like, well, I don't want to go outside my borders. That's fine. Then you just stay in. And I like that. I like the darkness coming up through the trees. I like these going behind the trees too. These land masses. And you see, here's a line, a contour that goes behind, but I don't want it to look exactly like just a line there, so I'm going to fill underneath it so that it becomes more of a mass rather than just a line. There you have it. 10 3-minute videos that lead you from pure color into a wonderful nature landscape that you can enjoy and fill your soul with.